Hey, it's Corn from Josh and Corn's Garage. We're in the garage. This is an inflatable you bought in Christmas 2014. It was actually a store display. Let's take it outside and we'll unbox it. Okay. Alright, so you can see this air-blown inflatable, this stuff here, $99. We'll open it up. Nice.
It was 50% off.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, nice. So we'll open it up. Okay, there they are. Alright, let's take this stuff out. Out comes everything, all in one package.
Put the box over there.
It's quite big, and you can hear a whistling sound. It's pretty big, I have to say. It's pretty cool. It's like almost life-size. You could actually sit in this thing. This one spins slow, probably just due to airflow. And then this one here, you can stop it. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's deflate it. Let's see.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.